Hi, this is the video for 2D, solving linear equations. This should just be a revision of your 7 and your 8. So what I would do if I were you is pause the video right now, try to do all these problems, and then see if you get them right. And that'll tell you that you really know what's going on. So let's try A. 2x plus 3 equals 4. This is the one where I take 3 from both sides. And I like to write these little notes off to the side for myself, and then divide by 2. Divide by whatever's in front of the pronumeral. I like these left as a fraction. B says x over 4, sorry about that little scribble, minus 3 equals 7. That 4 is dividing into the x, and I always get rid of addition and subtraction first, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides to try to get the x alone, and then multiply by 4. Because x is being divided by 4, I multiply to get rid of it. Do the opposite. All right, let's try C. I'll go over here. Maybe move down a little bit. It's 5 minus 2x equals 12. So I'm going to take the 5. The sign in front of the 5 is positive. I don't really see it, but it's positive there. So I'm going to take 5 from both sides, subtract 5, and I get negative 2x. That sign belongs to that 2, or that term, equals, what's that, 7? And then divide by negative 2. So x equals negative 7 on 2. You can write 3.5 if you want, or 3.5, I don't mind. But leaving it like that is perfectly fine. Okay, let's try D. I might move over here this time. And that's 2x on 3 plus 5 equals 7. So I'm going to take the 5 first. And I'll get 2x on 3 equals 2. Then I'm going to get rid of this 3 down here. I'm going to multiply by 3 because it's dividing, so I'll multiply by it. And I get 2x equals 6, and then I'll divide by 2. Alright, almost to the end there. Now this one is the one that always gets everybody, because the 2x plus 4 is on top of the 9 entirely. Like in this problem here and this problem here, there's just part of the problem was with the x. This time the whole thing's up here. So this thing right here is like a grouping symbol. It's almost like I have brackets around there. So I must get rid of the 9 first by multiplying by 9. And I'll get 2x plus 4 equals 18. And then I'm going to take 4. And I get 2x equals 14, and then I'm going to divide by 2. Am I still on the screen? Just. And that's it. I'll give you some problems to do out of your book just to practice these from year 7 and 8 so you really know that you know what's going on. Very good.